Hello everyone, and welcome. In this session, we will learn how to simplify our script, then use Dynamo Player to extract data to Excel. I will be using this built-in Revit sample project again to extract the room data from the Level 1 floor plan. Open the Level 1, then isolate the rooms to be used as inputs in Dynamo. Now open the Dynamo file, which enable user to extract rooms data to Excel at the same time. I will remove some nodes and groups to make the script simpler. Now I will prepare the script to be compatible with Dynamo Player. This is by renaming nodes and classifying them as outputs or as inputs. Now I will replace the number nodes with number slider nodes. This step is important to reduce errors in the script, because rows and columns has to be positive integers. By changing the step value to 1, you will make sure no fractions will be produced. Keep the minimum value on 0 to avoid negative numbers. Then connect the new nodes and rename them. Classify your nodes. Then save the script. Open Dynamo Player. Click on Edit Inputs button. Start by selecting Model Elements. You can type the parameter name here to extract its values. I will create a new Excel file for this exercise. No need to change the sheet name. I will turn overwrite on. Then choose the data location. Finally, run the script. It works really good. You can change inputs to see the effect. The old data will disappear as long as the overwrite option turned on. After turning off the overwrite option, the old data will be merged to the new ones. This line in Dynamo Player shows the outputs with wrong title. I will open Dynamo to rename it. Then save and close. After refreshing Dynamo Player, the new title will appear. This is the end. Thank you.